So here we are, folks, on a mentoring visit to our latest project, 6-bed HMO in Crewe, on a beautiful day actually, and I'm delighted to see that the requisite people have their hard hats on, their high-vis jackets, and all of the other important PPE that you need for one of these visits. Actually, really, it's all for show. It's not that dangerous at all. Anyway, how are you finding the day, guys?
Terrific.
Very good, very informative.
Good, thank you. Right, what James, you're on here.
Always insightful, always.
Brilliant.
Cost savings already made.
And I promise I didn't bribe them 1 ounce. We're having a great day though, looking at some projects. We've just been to see a finished 6-bed HMO, which is really, really beautiful. Already starting to rent out those rooms. So now we're going from the sublime to the ridiculous. Wish us luck.